Part support design moves faster when the right parts are always within reach. Part support in the Copilot palette gives you instant access to a curated library of ready-to-use components, complete with clear visual previews and key details, all inside your workspace. No window juggling, no lost momentum. Just find what you need and keep building. Enter a query and explore a focused selection of CAD parts, refined for accuracy and clarity. When you're ready, add a component with a single click or simply drag it into the drawing space. This fluid workflow turns part discovery into a natural extension of the design process, helping you assemble complex models with confidence, speed, and precision. Thanks for watching.